What's up, riders? Today we're diving into something that might surprise you. Mini dirt bikes, and whether adults can actually ride them. I've seen this question pop up everywhere, and it's time to set the record straight. You know those moments when you see a kid ripping around on a mini dirt bike, and there's that little voice in your head saying, "That looks like so much fun." Well, guess what? You don't have to just watch from the sidelines anymore. Let's get technical for a minute, but don't worry. I'll keep it simple. Mini dirt bikes come in different sizes, and this is where it gets interesting for us adults. When it comes to engines, you've got several fantastic options to consider. The 125cc 4-strokes are really the sweet spot for most adults, offering that perfect balance of power and control. If you're looking for something with a bit more punch, the 250cc bikes deliver that extra oomph while still maintaining manageable handling. And don't completely rule out the smaller engines. Even some 50cc to 110cc bikes can work beautifully, depending on your size and riding style. What's really cool about these smaller bikes is that they're not just scaled-down versions of the big ones. They're actually engineered specifically to handle adult weight while keeping that nimble, playful feel that makes them so much fun to ride. Let me tell you a quick story. Last summer, I was at a friend's property, and he had this collection of dirt bikes. Everything from full-size monsters to these little trail rippers. You know which ones we ended up riding all day? We were like kids again, but with adult coordination, mostly. Now, let's talk about why you might actually prefer a mini dirt bike. When it comes to cost, these babies are seriously easier on your wallet. We're talking about sometimes half the price of a full-size dirt bike. The savings don't stop at the purchase price either. They use less fuel, parts are cheaper, and maintenance is generally simpler and less frequent. The control and learning aspects of mini bikes are often overlooked, but they're incredible learning tools. The lower seat height is a game changer for building confidence. You can plant your feet easily whenever you need to, which makes learning new techniques far less intimidating. This setup is perfect for mastering technical riding skills, especially when it comes to practicing tight turns and precise control. The smaller size actually forces you to be more intentional with your movements, which translates to better riding technique overall. All right, let's get serious for a minute about safety. Just because these bikes are smaller doesn't mean we can skip the important stuff. When it comes to essential gear, there's no cutting corners. A DOT-approved helmet is absolutely non-negotiable. It's your first and most important line of defense. Your feet need proper protection too, so invest in quality boots that protect your ankles. Knee and elbow pads might seem like overkill, but you'll thank me when you need them. Round that out with proper riding pants, a long-sleeve jersey, and gloves for better grip and protection. And you'll be ready to ride safely. Remember, these are strictly off-road vehicles. Keep them where they belong, on private property, designated trails, or motocross tracks that welcome mini bikes. Public roads are absolutely off-limits, no exceptions. Let's talk specific bikes that work great for adults. The Yamaha TTR 125 is a standout choice, offering that perfect balance of size and power. Its suspension is specifically designed to handle adult weight, and it's known for being incredibly reliable. The Honda XR200 is another excellent option, especially if you're on the taller side. It features a slightly bigger frame while maintaining that manageable feel, and it comes with Honda's legendary reliability. Here's something that might surprise you about riding mini dirt bikes. It's actually an incredible workout. Your core gets engaged constantly as you maintain balance and control through turns and over terrain. The whole experience improves your balance and coordination in ways that translate to everyday life. Your heart gets pumping, giving you solid cardiovascular exercise, while your legs develop strength from all the maneuvering and stabilizing. Plus, there's the mental health aspect. Nothing beats the stress relief of an afternoon on the trails. Let's address some questions I know you're thinking about. First up, won't I look silly? Listen, when you're having this much fun, who cares? Plus, there's something awesome about seeing adults enjoying themselves without taking life too seriously. As for weight limits, most mini bikes are designed to handle riders up to 200 pounds or more, but it's always smart to check your specific model's recommendations. Before you rush out to buy one, there are several important factors to consider. If possible, always try to get a test ride. This will tell you more than any review ever could. Take time to check the seat height against your inseam to ensure a comfortable fit. Think carefully about where you'll be riding most often, as this can influence which model will work best for you. Your skill level should also play a major role in your decision, and don't forget to factor in the maintenance requirements of different models. Here's the bottom line. Mini dirt bikes aren't just kid stuff. They're legitimate machines that can provide tons of fun for riders of any age. Whether you're looking to learn, want something more manageable, or just want to relive some childhood dreams with adult capabilities, there's a mini dirt bike out there for you. If you've ridden mini dirt bikes as an adult, drop a comment below with your experience. And if you're thinking about getting into it, let me know what questions you have. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to catch more content like this. Until next time, keep it twisted and remember, you're never too old to have fun on two wheels.